This AKLMXCG black chandelier combines a clean modern farmhouse silhouette with clear hammered glass, giving dining rooms and foyers a sophisticated yet inviting look. The sturdy matte metal frame and heat-tolerant lamp holders feel well built, and the protective finish is designed to resist rust and color fading over time. A series of solid connecting rods, rather than a chain, keeps the fixture stable and allows the hanging height to be adjusted easily for flat, sloped, or vaulted ceilings. The clear textured glass shades spread light widely without harsh glare, and the fixture works with dimmable E26 base bulbs so you can fine-tune the brightness and color tone. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included hardware and open shade design, which also makes bulb changes and routine cleaning much simpler. Its damp-rated construction and versatile style make it equally at home over a kitchen island, in a bathroom, entryway, hallway, or living room, tying different spaces together with one cohesive fixture.